What up, guys? It's Woodman34X coming at you with a video of to go over the manual for the Cart Manager SX series. Look at this baby, boys. That's our boy Glenn. Look at him in his gloriousness. Look at him. Boom. You might have known him in the video of how to use the Cart Manager SX Gate series. Boom. This is the man, but he's even got a more epic beard. We should really be doing this video of how to grow a beard, but we're doing it on how to go over the manual. Glenn's actually looking at the video right now. But yeah, boys, look at this. Look at the under the hood. They're running two freaking 45.7 kV batteries. Freaking look at, giving you a full description of the LED diagnostic codes. And let's check on this baby. This is what weren't able to go over, boys. Boom. This right here is the Gatekeeper System Cart Manager SX User Manual V.1. One thing I wanted to point out really quick is precision. Look at the hydraulics. Boom. Really important information, because look at this technique, how he's holding it with his arm. Boom. Guys, look, this is the emergency stop button. The E500-185-001. Boom. This is the LED strobe light right here. Boom. Look at that freaking flashing. What? Look at the flick of that roost. Then the next is, I want to show you guys this. This is the top neck cover, F1475-3-38. Look at this, guys. This is the top gas neck. Next we got the optimal wheel stop plate. That's part number F50712-05. That's right here. Look at this baby. I wonder if they're using 6065 aluminum. Yeah, exactly. Oh, guys, look how epic Glenn's beard is. Let's get a close up of this. Boom. Guys, look at that. That's Glenn. So this video is how to go over the Cart Manager SX manual and kind of some spec layout. Man, look at this. Is the e-stop guard right here, guys. This section right here. Boom. Check out that module. That's how you do it. That's a good tap to it. Man.
Sounds like you're making music now.
But, watch out. Wait, my name is Glenn. I'm all about my hand. I'm gonna be coming in on my man, because I'm gonna be coming in with my sand. Thanks, guys. I'm Schbeef the Geefe, and this is my boy.
Glenn for life.
Glenn for life. I wish I could have the intro. I'm not as epic as he is. Hey, say don't Schbeef the Geefe.
What?
Don't Schbeef the Geefe.
I never heard of that.
Don't
Schbeef.
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 Schbeef, yeah.
Schbeef?
Schbeef. S-C-H-B-E-F. Schbeef.
Schbeef?
Yes.
Ah.
And then geefe.
Geefe.
Boom. Guys, look at this. They already have the custom module where it just holds that baby in. Alright. Thanks for subscribing and check out my boy Glenn's videos. I'm Schbeef the Geefe. Woodman34X and Glenn for life out. Boom. Looking like a badass.
Woodman coming in. Captain Qualms. Song goes out to Mina. It's true.